Hello everyone, printer is showing 49 error. The model number is HP LaserJet M236dw, or it can be M234dw. If your printer is showing error code 49 or 79, the first step you have to take, you have to make it cold reset or factory reset. To make it factory reset settings, what to do? First of all, turn off the printer, turn off the power completely, and then remove the tuner from the tuner cartridge, keep it outside, and then keep waiting until 30 seconds to 1 minute. It should turn off, don't turn back on. And what to do while after 30 seconds completed, you have to press these two buttons together, this X button cancel with this minus button. You have to press these two buttons together, and then you have to turn off the machine. Just hold on, I am keep holding this buttons, and I will turn on. Okay, now I will press this button. Okay, I press the power button while keep holding these two buttons, and you can see NV button appeared. I will release these two buttons because we have to wait until the NV signs appear here, NV numbers. So now what to do after that, printer will restart, completely reset, and it will fix the error code. Hopefully it showed error, now it's NV. I will turn off the printer again, and I'll turn back on. It started initializing. We have to insert tuner cartridge. It started initializing. If you ever face these errors 79 or 49, first of all you have to make it factory reset. Second step, if there is connectivity with your computer, try to upgrade firmware, and if the same issue still remain, then you have to replace the formatter board. So hopefully with the factory reset it will fix the error. Basically 49 error was indicating the memory queue in the network, memory error actually. So I fixed it. Hopefully it will fix with the factory reset settings. If you have any other questions regarding any kind of laser printer, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.